have the big brother version of the Sam². This is the Sam², also known as the Super All Mountain. This is an aggressive enduro build, a true enduro bike that actually has the motor built into it. You have 170 mils of travel front and rear. This is not the exact model that will be offered in North America. This is the European version. Slight changes made. Little one to make note of is in Europe, the speed limit on e-bike is 25 kilometers an hour. In North America, we have 32 kilometers an hour. So you're going to get a faster bike, more fun, obviously. This model only comes in 27.5, which is what you want for enduro. It's most fun wheel size in my opinion. Features the same motor as the Jam, same battery life, but you just have that little bit extra travel. Have an additional battery pack, so as opposed to locking your ride down to about 4 hours of battery life, you can double that with this battery pack that you just get on right there, and then you're turning your day into a 4-hour solid ride into an 8-hour epic. So go nuts with this, it's gonna be worth it. I've been on this a couple of times and extremely fun out in the backcountry. Big climbs in the Alps, Colorado, wherever you are. You're gonna be having a blast. This is exactly what it's built for. This is what you want.